The deep blue color is associated with winter, nighttime, and magic. The round shape resembles a New Year's ball, and the bright symbol in the center makes the image clean, stylish, and photogenic. Instantly creates a New Year's mood. Perfect for winter holidays, great for photos and videos, beautifully reflects light, comfortable for the performer, hands-free, you can dance and interact with the audience, versatile. Christmas trees, photo zones, shopping centers, festivals, street events. This is not just a costume, but a living New Year's decoration. It does not get lost among the lights and decorations, but becomes the center of attention and a focal point for cameras.